Perfect.
So I'm Roy. I'm probably the oldest one here. I'm 45 years old. I made a 23-page one shot for like submitting to competitions later this year. I'm just gonna read my logline. Uh, what if a gamer gains the ability to execute all the fighting moves from his favorite arcade fighting game? And my biggest struggle is I think my style looks like more of a Western comic style, like mashed into a manga. You'll see when the art grows up, but I think that's what I'm struggling with most.
In a one shot, you guys need only three like characters. Your protagonist, and then side character A and side character B. And when I say side character A and B, right, it could be the protagonist, it could be, like the best friend, it could be a mentor, right? It could be like a different role, but only three characters max. Right, so I think you maxed it out here, right? Like where you have the protagonist, you have the thugs, and then you have Curtis. And then you have like, the mom, like the family where, there's no real relationship here. It's more of just they're kind of like side characters. So, I mean, with that, I probably would have even cut off like this panel from the mom, right? Because like she's not, I mean, she's not a side character anymore. She's just like, kind of like decoration character at that point. Like, I also felt this was very Western comic-like. A long walk home later. And I mentioned earlier, right? Like, we're in manga, like, you don't see this a lot in manga. Because you just, do it through the panel work, right? So it's not, if you really wanted to show them that, like, they, like, walked home, you show them they walked home. You draw it, right? Show, don't tell.
Cool.
So,
Okay.
So yeah, so I think like I probably would have like gotten rid of this. Like, I think you could have just had this one scene where like he comes back and it's like, again, it's him, right? It has to be the protagonist. So instead of like showing this one panel for the mom, like show, because the protagonist is here, very, very, very tiny, right? You could have like had like the protagonist like dedicate this panel to the protagonist instead, and the mom is kind of like on the side. Oh, hey honey, like how are you doing, right? But then you see his reaction, right? Like, because one thing we don't see here is that he got defeated. How did he feel, right? I mean, for example, this one is good, right? Run home to your mama, pussy, right? And then it's like, all right, and then he's like crying, but he's like determined, and then he fights again, but then he gets defeated. So how does he feel now? I don't know, right?
Okay.
So
Yeah.
so you're lacking reaction panels here, right? And again, good night, baby. You think he's okay where he's growing up, not necessary, to be honest. Yeah, not necessary. I would have like taken this out. So this one's good, right? So now we finally get to see, right, like how he's feeling. Like, okay, he's actually thinking about it. So it's a little bit late, right? And I probably would have maybe like given him a bigger panel, like, because again, his face is very small, right? Like, if you want to emphasize like the emotions, you probably want to draw like a larger face as well. I was stronger, I could protect myself, Curtis. But like, yeah, so I think like this part is fine. I do think it's slightly boring because like you just repeated the exact same, like the exact same like illustration here, right? So again, everything kind of has to like move the story forward, right?
If you're still watching, it probably means making your own manga isn't just a phase for you. You're serious about this, and we want to help. We set aside time each week for free manga consultation calls for aspiring mangakas who want a real plan instead of more random tutorials. On that call, we'll look at where you're at right now, pinpoint the number one thing holding you back, and map out a clear 60 to 90 day plan to move you toward a contest-ready one-shot. If it makes sense, we'll also show you how our online one-shot manga drawing program works and how you can work directly with pro-Japanese mangakas and a pro manga editor. The most exciting part? We're sending some of our best students on an all-expense paid trip to Japan's biggest comic convention, where you get the rare opportunity to share your work with Japanese publishers. We'll even help you translate your work to Japanese and hire a translator on the ground. What are you waiting for? It's time to stop dreaming about your manga and actually start making it. Just book your free one-on-one manga consultation call with us by clicking the link in the description or the pinned comment.